So in the series of learning Python programming language, in the previous video we have seen nested if else and elif statement in Python, how to use them in program, right? So based on that we will do one coding exercise. See, I hope you remember one exercise we have done, that was coding exercise number 4. We calculated BMI, body mass index, right? Like just enter your weight, height and BMI, calculate BMI, weight divided by height square, and it will print what is your BMI. But here we will do one more exercise on BMI, we will calculate BMI, but that is, you can say, updated version of BMI, the previous coding exercise. After calculating BMI, you have to tell if you are underweight or you are normal weight or you are overweight or you are in which category you are, right? Like this. So after calculating BMI like this, you have to tell, we will not put these condition, one condition will put like if your BMI is less than 18.5, then you are underweight, right? Then one is for normal weight, between 18.5 less than 25, then normal weight. If greater than 25 but less than 30, then overweight. If greater than 30 but less than 35, then obese, and greater than 35, then you can say class 2 or clinically obese, right? So this you need to print. So obviously you need to put here if else, right? So now one thing is what? So this was our previous program, enter weight, height, then calculate BMI. We have converted weight into int and height into float, and we just print BMI. We have to convert this into int, right? Because a whole number I want to print. If I run this coding exercise, then see, run coding exercise 4, enter weight, suppose 48, enter height, suppose 1.5 and 21.333, like this. If you want to convert this, you can, we have discussed round function, so you can round this out, right? Now you have to put these conditions as well now. So both height and weight will take in float. So better we can do one thing, we can convert, while taking input we can convert those into float, right? So here only I can write float. Same for height, we can write down float here, right? Now BMI, no need to convert here, you can just remove this and directly just convert BMI, sorry, calculate BMI. Fine. Now after calculating this BMI, we will not print, we will put some condition. If BMI is less than 18.5, then you need to print what? Print, first we will print your BMI is, and something like this I am printing, BMI is this and you are underweight, right? So obviously we are using this kind of thing, like in these curly braces we are using BMI. So from BMI I want to evaluate this value, I want to fetch this value. So this is what that we have discussed, this is f string. So better to prefix this with f, right? Now see, it has changed its color, BMI. So it will fetch the value from here, like this. Now second condition, what will we have? If we have more than 2 alternative, we use elif. So else if, basically, so that is elif. Elif BMI more than 18.5 means greater than or equal to 18.5, but it is less than 25, right? So those will fall in this category. Fine. Then your BMI, we will just print BMI. Your BMI is this and you are, it's a normal weight category. So we can say you have a normal weight, right? Same, you have to put all the conditions, right? Like this. Now overweight for obese, and if less than 35, then in this category, but if greater than 35, then you are clinically obese, right? So rather than putting any condition greater than 35, obviously, other than that, if we have put all the condition, then we can simply put, for last thing, we can simply put else, right? No need to put the condition else if BMI is greater than 35, right? So this is how we have used here F string, as well as one more thing, BMI, you have to round this. I do not want the result in those decimal 21.30 something like this. I just want 21, right? So here one thing we have discussed, what we can use round function to round the numbers, right? So just use round here. I think now that is fine. Let's run this and I'll show you the output. Enter weight, suppose 48 in kg. Enter height in meters, suppose 1.5 or 1.6. Now your BMI is 21. It has been rounded, and you have a normal weight. 21 means I fall in this category. Means you have a normal weight, right? Greater than 18.5 but less than 25. So let me just run this again and let me just show you. Suppose weight is 48 and height is 1.6. Your BMI is 19 and now you have a normal weight. This time your BMI is 19, but let's run this again, and suppose weight is 59 and height is 1.5. Now your BMI is 26 and you are overweight. Now I fall in this category, overweight category, right? So I hope now you have done this exercise. So now that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.